Zeds are close. Safety's off.
Nailed him! Damn it! Oh shit!
A decent beginning. Let's call that your warm-up.
Them things got me! I'm a natural.
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply. Last chance. I have to power down the pod. All Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
Well, isn't this cozy? Careful, guys! Right on! Mr. Sniper in the house! Oh, suck it! Bang, dodge it. Watch it, more Zeds! Come on, let's go!
Glad to see you made it through. Make for the pod and gear up. Oh, your armor's seen better days. That's a hint, vous savez. Break time's over. Get back to work. More Zeds inbound.
Look out! I'm a natural. Oh, suck it! Watch out! Yeah!
Excellent. That's nearly all of them. Perfect. Pod is open again. Let's get you restocked. You know how to stay alive out there. A good instinct. Know what Zeds love? Broken armor. Fix it. Time's almost up. Vite! Pod's closed. Go make a difference.
I'd kill for a breeze. Gotcha! Hey! Mister.
Dented their numbers, but there are plenty left.
Nailed him! Right on. Cover your ears, siren! Yeah!
You nearly cleared this batch out. Nice work. We can reopen the trader pod soon.
Gotcha! Worst song ever!
Boom. Come see me. The pod's safely open. Nicely done. You're a real survivor. Good for you. Bring up the trading controls and upgrade your gear. Final choices, people. Enemies on the scope. Last chance. I have to power down the pod. Break time's over. Get back to work. More Zeds inbound.
monster! Quiet that siren down! He's got a cloaker! Wonder what's under his apron. Scrake, everybody!
Glad to see you made it through. Make for the pod and gear up. Killing a Scrag is never easy, but you did it well. There are Zeds on the scope. Must close the pod very soon. I'm about to shut the pod. More Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
It ain't flip-flop weather, that's for sure. Down, look out!
A solid start, but many Zeds remain.
Come on, let's go! Ah! You know that fleshed out on steroids? Easy!
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply. You really shredded that fleshbound back there. Impressive. Last chance. I have to power down the pod. Break time's over. Get back to work. More Zeds inbound.
sniper in the house. Oh, suck it! Bang, goddamn. Oh shit!
Come see me. The pod's safely open. Nicely done. I'm impressed by your survival instinct out there. Glad you made it back. Don't bleed on anything. We're almost out of time. Make your choices. I'm about to shut the pod.
Gonna go all gangsta boy on your ass, Zed!
All Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
If soup. Oh, steam! Nailed him!
Go. The mission is underway. Lock and load.
stay there. Careful, guys. Oh, suck it! Splatter Zed! Gotcha!
Keep it up. When you're done, I can reopen the traitor pod.
Oh, suck it!
Glad to see you made it through. Make for the pod and gear up. Get yourself fixed up. You look terrible.
That's good. Oh.
Time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
Smell that crisp air. Just like home. Done! Easy! Just a second, asshole! I see them! Nailed him! You're not dead yet.
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply. You need medical attention. You like being chewed into pieces? Buy armor. Time's almost up. Vite! Break time's over. Get back to work. More Zeds inbound.
Easy! Mr. Sniper in the house! Cloaked enemy here! Gotcha! Come on, let's go! Oh, suck it! Right on. Smackdown. Bang, you're dead. Nice, huh? sniper in the house. Yeah! Oh. Get in! Get in!
Perfect. Pod is open again. Let's get you restocked.
That's good.
You're staying in one piece. That's great. Keep it up. There's Zeds on the scope. Must close the pod very soon. Time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
Oh, shit! Ah! Someone kill that siren! You twitch, ass face. Well, they look fun. Oh, suck it! You're not dead enough. Oh. Yeah! You twitch, ass face.
Glad to see you made it through. Make for the pod and gear up. You're a real survivor. Good for you. Oh, your arm will see better days. That's a hint, vous savez. I'm about to shut the pod. More Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
What? Nice, huh? CZ go boom! Smackdown! Watch out! Look here! Stay there. Easy! Just gotta make sure.
Excellent. That's nearly all of them.
Stay there.
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply. I'm impressed by your survival instinct out there. Time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
Hello there, crappy tech. I'm a natural.
Dented their numbers, but there are plenty left.
Quiet that siren down! Yeah! Back. Gotcha! Great! Flash power! That's gotta sting! Oh, thank you, me. Nice up.
Perfect. Pod is open again. Let's get you restocked. Magnifique. You were this round MVP, as they say. Know what Zeds love? Broken armor. Fix it.
Who wants money? Cheers. Any?
Last chance. I have to power down the pod.
Watch it, reload.
More Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
Dig our screw.
You'll be paid soon, Bone. Right on. Ah!
A solid start, but many Zeds remain.
Back down! Bang, you're dead. You know that Black House on steroids? Ah! Gotcha! Just a second, ass!
Hang on, you clip it. Welcome to your electrocution. He got your attention, eh? Reloading. Whoa!
Come see me. The pod's safely open. Nicely done. You died. Cost you money, you know.
Gotta keep a lookout for a turntable. There's heaps of vinyl around, but nothing to play
Better.
on.
Thanks, but could do with more meds. I feel good. Goody Snoop, cheers!
Unit ammo check.
Have plenty.
Bring up the trading controls and upgrade your gear. I'm about to shut the pod.
You're doing great, team. Keep watching what I do, all right?
I was just thinking that.
Pod's closed. Go make a difference.
This lad in a beater or something?
Wait! Nice, huh?
Those department low! Probably gonna close.
That's gotta sting. It's on the throat!
That's their numbers, but there are plenty left.
Mister?
Reloading.
Oh shit! Damn them! Said go boom! Diablo fun! Together!
He got your attention, eh? Right on the...
Easy! That's gotta sting! Watch my ass, reloading! Now! Yeah! Where did they go? Gotcha! Angry lumberjack, folks! Ah! Damn!
Only got one.
Perfect. Pod is open again. Let's get you restocked. That's Greg. Oof. You took it down hard.
Feeding the beast! How's everybody feeling?
Buy more ammo. You're running low. More Zeds on the way. Start to wrap things up, as they say.
Ooh, that's nice.
Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer.
Friendly trader bird.
Is everyone okay for ammo?
Anyone got any money? Got loads.
Time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
Wait a sec, reload. That did the trick. Ha!
New man, going in. Easy! Smackdown! Gotcha! You twitch, half-space. I'm super good to go. And stayed it. Push it!
Watch it, reloading. He got your attention, eh? Wait a sec, reloading. Ha!
Easy! Reloading.
Get in, reloading. Blast the monster data take 12. Sword off.
You're a miracle worker. Watch my ass. Reloading.
Watch it, reloading.
Nice, huh?
Nice. Wait a sec, reloading.
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply.
Someone a new one.
Feels good, huh? When no one dies.
Know what? I'm almost impressed you're still alive. You want to lie?
I'm ready to rock.
Oh, your armor's seen better days. That's a hint, vous savez.
Anyone got a nice hot coffee while we're waiting?
Wait a tick, reloading.
I'm about to shut the pod.
We all got enough ammo?
Ammo's fine.
Pod's closed. Go make a difference.
They've got a sort of red motif thing
All right,
going on.
thanks. I'm in trouble. Little help?
Damn them!
What's he got your attention?
Just... did that. Ugh. Break, everybody! Oh, shit!
The people are going to take round one.
Yeah! I see them! You're not very enough.
That's just
What? Watch my ass, reloading!
right. Get in.
Back down! That's got a sting! Come on, let's go! Hey! Yeah! Feeding the beast!
He killed.
Right on target!
You're a natural. Something close is coming around here.
I'm burning! Ah! Back down! You twitch, ass face!
Wisely, we've got a real fight ahead. We're almost out of time. Make your choices.
I need a cash injection.
You're running low on ammo. Buy some.
Rip someone a new one. I feel good. Goodies new. Cheers. I could do with some cash.
Unit
Anyone?
ammo check.
Anyone got any money?
Time's almost up. Vite!
I need a hand here. Anyone got any money? I need a cash injection. Hint, hint.
Time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
By my calculations, this doesn't look very good for you. Dude, this is how science really works. Plasmas are useful in a large number of applications. Electricity has great potential for serious burns. Or that isn't plasma intriguing. This may result in a paralysis of your fleet.
Oh, thank you, me.
Effectively utilizing plasma is a fine art. Always use the best method to solve problems. Oh, perhaps I'm too
Wait a
advanced
tick.
for you.
Reload it.
How predictable. Would you like to be part of an electrical circuit? This is what's called the fourth state of matter.
That is it.
Perhaps the human body is highly conductive. Isn't plasma intriguing?
Come out, wherever you are!
This may result in... That 30,000 volts is sufficient. This is what's called the fourth state of matter. It's true. My work can be considered deeply unethical. Perhaps we don't understand each other. Effectively utilizing plasma is a fine art. This is how science really works. Isn't plasma intriguing? Always use the best method to solve problems.
are here to clean out Zeds. And here come your first targets. Eyes open.
I go from Reload! My aim is true! Bring hellfire upon it! Would you hide from death? Dead or undead? A strike! Like an archer at Agincourt! Roasted on a spit! Filthy scum! Kill them all!
Glad to see you made it through. Make for the pod and gear up.
Blood falls so freely here.
Bonjour. Come and get your tools of trade. I'm about to shut the pod.
It's time I got some cash back. Being poor is seriously shit.
Break time's over. Get back to work. More Zeds inbound.
I will consume you in flames! You have healed me. One piece at a time! You shoot true? Need I kill you twice? Bring hellfire upon it! I reload. What you... Must reload! Use fire! Dead or undead? Come on, I reload.
Finish the last ones off, so I can open the trader pod for you.
The dead should remain dead! Yes! I am forever in your debt. Dead or undead?
Ready to rip someone a new one?
Would you hide from death?
Didn't like that, did you?
Need I kill you twice?
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply. Congratulations. You killed the most Zeds.
Perhaps we should reflect on this in silence.
I am home.
Last chance. I have to power down the pod.
The reek overwhelms me.
More Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
A strike! The dead should remain dead! Need I kill you twice?
Watch it, reloading.
Ah!
Down they go.
Would you hide from death?
Come on.
Good start. Now finish the job. Allez.
Use fire! Dead or undead? You meet our death at a distance with ease. Need I kill you twice? Dead or undead? Burn in your own head! I thank you. Kill this one before she screams!
Make your acquaintance.
The dead should remain dead! Ah! All this blood!
Bon. Come see me. The pod's safely open. Nicely done. No one died that time. Merveilleux. Fix that armor. It looks terrible. Time's almost up. Vite!
Reloading!
Oh, time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
Forever in your debt. More evil sorcery? Need I kill you twice? The dead should out! For the glory of the light! I will consume you in flames! I must reload. Use fire! You see it!
Something close.
I will destroy you all! Roasted on a spit! Ah, I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Good heavens! I'm on fire! Dead? Ha! Dead! Would you hide from death? Such sustenance. What do... You won't kill me! The dead should remain dead! I will consume you in flames!
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply. How do the Americans say it? You were MVP that time. Nice work. Have you checked your ammo? Didn't think so.
Feeling grand, aye.
Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer.
My nostrils do rebel.
Pod's closed. Go make a difference.
Cover! I reload! Need I kill you twice? The dead should
Dented their numbers, but there are plenty left.
reload. You feel us now. Need I kill you twice? Yes! The dead should remain dead! Would you hide from death?
Mostly got your attention, eh?
I am low on ammo. You don't fit in flames!
What's mine?
But, what magic? It vanished? Need I kill you twice? The dead should remain dead! It breeds no more. What is this machinery?
Perfect. Pod is open again. Let's get you restocked. I saw how you tore that Scrake up. Gave me hen flesh. Come on. Ah, vous savez?
I can do.
Your armor's falling to pieces. Get it fixed.
I'm kind of busy watching.
Last chance. I have to power down the pod.
Injection. Hint, hint.
I'm reloaded.
Blood.
Protect the area.
Got ammo here. I reload.
A decent beginning. Let's call that your warm-up.
Will destroy you all! Dead or undead? What you?
Rest. Your work was flawless.
Need I kill you twice?
Fiddle, you wake up!
Bullseye!
Excellent. The area remains totally secure. A good day's work and everyone survived.
I am forever in your debt.
I'm flush, thanks.
Know what? I'm almost
More
impressed you're
evil
still alive.
sorcery?
More Zeds on the way. Start to wrap things up, as they say.
Say,
This is the quiet before the storm.
Look at this. We're all still alive. You can thank me later.
All Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
Liking this whole no one dying thing.
reload!
Come on.
Someone's pushing Lady Francis.
A solid start, but many Zeds remain.
Wait a tick. Reloading.
What you hide about death? What's gone and done? Brother, it burns me!
Hang on, you clip it! Only die once.
I will consume you in flames!
Watch out, they're cloaked just now.
Use fire!
Reloading.
Keep it up. When you're done, I can reopen the trader pod.
Roasted on a spit! Burn! Think you got him.
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply. Magnifique. You were this round MVP, as they say.
Know what? Almost afraid you're still alive.
Are we all still in health?
Feeling pretty good, thanks.
There's Zeds on the scope. Must close the pod very soon.
Ammo sit rep.
What bandit?
Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer.
Reloading!
Keep the area secure.
I suffer in the heat! Don't fit in flames!
Nearby.
Dead or The dead should remain dead!
Hang on, you clip it.
Ow! Need I kill you twice?
Deep fried. Goody two. Cheers. Reloading.
What? Ah, I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Good heavens! I'm on fire! I reload. Reload.
I need to rip someone a new one.
By my own fair hand.
Dead or undead? It's the spot. A spike! You
was flawless.
You won't like me angry.
You earned the most money. I guess drinks are on you tonight.
Our fellowship remains unbroken.
Yep. I'm liking this whole no one dying thing.
Glad you made it back. Don't bleed on anything.
I want that back with interest.
Last chance. I have to power down the pod. Maintain the area's security.
Is our ammo replete?
No one dead yet. Nice. Did I pick your interest?
Would you hide from death? Bring hellfire upon it! Need I kill you twice? Even right! Engulf it in flames! Dead or undead?
With the nest?
Need I kill you twice?
Back off!
Damn, stink when they burn.
Roasted on a spit!
Probably got a stroke dead here. Its legs have gone. Surely it's all over.
You made a mean.
You see that?
Dead or undead? The dead should remain dead! Need I kill you?
Excellent. The area remains totally secure.
You hide from death! Dead or undead?
I'm just warming up here. Someone
Bring hellfire!
Fantastic work. Area remains unbreached. You're rich. Money doesn't fire bullets, remember that.
Right, thanks. Everyone
Versus
alive?
magic brownies.
I fare well.
Unless you hate living, get some armor.
Spend it wisely.
More Zeds on the way. Start to wrap things up, as they say.
I'm reloading.
All this blood!
Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer.
Don't
Keep the area secure.
Has no one heard of aircon?
I am home. The dead should remain!
I only die once.
spitting flames! I will
Reloading.
consume you in flames!
Like you started a fire in that heart.
Ah! Bring help! That fresh sound used to pound us to dirt!
Just the heart reloading.
Please to
Blessed
make your...
relief.
You have healed me. You feel us now! Need I kill you twice? The dead should remain dead! Need I kill...
Impressed. Your work was flawless.
The onslaught begins!
So-and-so.
Dead or undead?
You've nearly cleared this batch out. Nice work. We can reopen the trader pod soon.
Headshot! Reload! It's the spot. The dead should remain dead! I think you've got him. Here's some ammo. Dead or undead?
And reload. I'm just warming up here.
Fantastic work. Area remains unbreached.
And she's back.
How's your bank balance feeling? Fatter, I imagine. Bring up the trading controls and upgrade your gear.
What is this machinery?
Last chance. I have to power down the pod. Break time's over. Get back to work. More Zeds inbound.
Won't let you derail my progress. Don't run. You'll only die tired. The human body is highly conductive. Effectively utilizing plasma is a fine art. Perhaps we don't understand each other. Isn't plasma intriguing? Do something useful. Would you like to be part of an electrical? Don't gloat yet. As you can see, I have all the latest gadgets. Are we getting electricity outbreak potential force? I wouldn't get overconfident. You're outnumbered, pal.
My son! Save me! Save me! Ow! Water!
Fine. If that is how you want it.
Hellfire upon it!
Indeed, our invasion protocols appear to be failing. As you can see, I thought of everything. That was one of the 29 series. Daddy! Observe. Lightning is a rather common phenomenon. As you can see, I've thought of everything.
Listen, heal thyself.
Brain injuries are most common. Excuse me while I disappear. As you can see, I have all yes.
Reloading.
Riches for all who desire it.
Gotta get back on the pitch.
Do your eyes see?
Get up,
This
get
ground
down.
is gilded.
Hang on, you clip it.
Just gracias.
I was rich.
Here we go. The mission is underway. Lock and load.
You feel us now. Like an archer and Agincourt. I go from strength to strength. What? Sark you! Reload! I'm on fire!
You are toxic now.
Bullseye!
Shoot well.
Roasted on a spit! Dead or undead? Poisons do their work upon me! Need I kill you?
Exino. That's nearly all of them.
Hey! Poison! I must reload. Use fire!
Glad to see you made it through. Make for the pod and gear up. Good work. You took out the most Zeds.
Cover! I reload!
There's Zeds on the scope. Must close the pod very soon.
Reloading. Like an avatar.
Watch my back. Reloading.
Time's almost up. Vite! More Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
You are more use alive. There.
That did the trick. Ta! Ready to rip someone a new one.
Found some ammo.
Ah! Roasted on a spit! This... Dead or undead? Dog's breath! Engulfing flames! I reload. On my oath! Need I kill you twice? Your aim is most steady, my friend. Bring hellfire upon it!
You know me now, don't you?
Dead or undead?
He shoots, he kills!
Finish the last ones off, so I can open the trader pod for you.
Your aim is most steady.
Zips in.
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply. Feels good, huh? When no one dies.
There. Ammo check.
You have healed me.
Wow, talk about not cutting edge.
I have sufficient.
Glad you made it back. Don't bleed on anything.
Some aged magic.
Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer. Time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
Roasted on a spit! Dead or undead?
Let it all out. Cover me. Reloading.
The onslaught begins! You know what to do! Need I kill you twice? Would you hide from death? You feel us now! My ears! Dead or undead? Need I kill you twice?
You've nearly cleared this batch out. Nice work. We can reopen the trader pod soon.
I reload. Dead or undead?
That one was mine.
Your boy is alive.
Someone a new one.
Boom. Come see me. The pod's safely open. Nicely done. A good day's work and everyone survived.
Feeling like it's time to get another tat.
Final choices, people. Enemies on the scope.
Money comes, money goes.
Time's almost up. Vite! Protect the area.
Ugh, I'm gonna spew if I keep looking at this.
How's everyone doing? Still in one piece?
I am home. A strike! Need I kill you twice? Would you hide from death? I must reload. My aim is Need I kill you twice? Troubles us no more.
That's just the first one.
Like an archer at Agincourt.
Fantastic work. Area remains unbreached.
I am forever in your debt.
Feels good, huh? When no one dies.
Never been a fan of blood. Ooh, that's nice.
So much blood.
We stand together, still alive.
We're almost out of time. Make your choices.
No, this is a real man's gun.
Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer. Maintain the area's security.
You can thank me later. Yep. Liking the cold no one.
Bring hellfire upon it! Again! Shoot!
Right on the map.
Dead? Ah! It bleeds no more. Need I kill you twice?
I only die once.
What magic? Vanish?
You're an...
Would you hide from death?
Got the heart for me.
You have healed me.
Straight.
I thank you. Roasted on!
Get in.
Come on, I reload.
Not close.
Again! Shoot!
Good explosion.
Excellent. The area remains fully secure.
Just disappeared! Need I kill you twice?
Lips it. Don't you bastard.
Or undead?
Probably got a close dead. See that? Lips it.
Chop! Chop! Monster!
Fantastic work. Area remains unbreached. You took out the lion's share of the Zeds back there. Nice.
I need new ammo. Now I shall wield great dragon magic varlets.
You earned the money. Now spend it.
Thanks, Dolls.
Final choices, people. Enemies on the scope.
We all live. The fight is unfinished.
I love a bit of banter, but let's keep our eyes open, all right?
Time's almost up. Vite.
All manner of surprises in store in a place like this.
Tricky part. I'll take a 9-iron.
Protect the area.
I must reload. Yes! I kill you twice? What you hide?
Let it all out. It's still dead?
Need I kill you twice?
Dented their numbers, but there are plenty left.
Still dead?
The dead should remain dead! Bring hellfire upon it! It's almost too easy.
Right on the money.
Dead or undead?
This one's got the hot streak.
Kill this one before she screams!
You're a natural.
The dead should remain dead!
Only die once.
Dead or undead?
Rest. Your work was flawless.
Need I kill you twice? The dead should remain dead! Would you hide from death?
Fantastic work. Area remains unbreached.
May our strength forever be
Slick work. System says you were the best team player.
I hate it when things get quiet. Makes me twitchy.
Bonjour. Come and get your tools of trade. We're almost out of time. Make your choices.
How is our fettle?
Feeling pretty good, thanks.
Last chance. I have to power down the pod.
We're doing great, team. Keep watching what I do, all right? Yep.
Keep the area secure.
Fine thing.
Where have they gone?
Welding you shot. That's just the first. Nice hip. Happiness is. Something ready to rip someone a new one.
I will consume you in flames! Death has taken it, friend.
Time to a crit.
Engulfing flames!
Rest. Your work was flawless.
you twice?
Come on!
Would you hide from death?
Great shot.
Fantastic work. Area remains unbreached. All that money won't help if you don't spend it.
Okay.
I'm alright, thanks.
Cheers.
The very crown grows gold.
I share my money.
To your...
All Zed's on the way. Start to wrap things up, as they say.
You're short of cash.
Everyone
The
alive?
very crown grows gold.
You beauty.
Do your eyes see? This ground is gilded.
Money here.
Time's almost up. Vite.
Come and end it.
Gotta keep a lookout for a turntable. There's heaps of vinyl around, but nothing to play it on.
Break time's over. Get back to work. More Zeds inbound.
This realm is no place for you.
No one has died. Please lose it.
Handle the money.
The dead should remain dead.
Start. Now finish the job. Allez.
Would you hide from death? The dead should remain dead.
Probably got a cloak dead.
I smite thee.
This is it.
I am forever in your debt.
You flip it.
And once more for luck.
I drink death. Cover, I reload.
Fireworks every time.
Bring hellfire upon it.
Revenge.
I thank you.
Finish the last ones off, so I can open the trader pod for you.
Use fire. Would you hide from death? Need I kill you twice?
Let it all out.
Swap you! Reload!
Reloading.
I am forever in your debt. Engulf it in flames! Dead
It's
or
still dead.
undead?
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply. You're staying in one piece. That's great. Keep it up. Bring up the trading controls and upgrade your gear.
Ammo here!
We're almost out of time. Make your choices.
Money, anyone?
We all still live.
Good stuff. Now power back some silence.
Last chance. I have to power down the pod.
Cheers.
Maintain the area's security.
caves delight me not.
Need bread.
It's uncloaked!
Watch it, reloading.
Use fire! Bullseye! It holds me! I must reload. You meet our death at a distance with ease. The dead should remain dead.
Almost mine.
I reload. What? Dead or undead? The dead should remain dead. You have healed. Roasted on a spit.
Excellent. The area remains totally secure.
Float. Need I kill you twice?
Still dead?
The dead should remain dead. A strike! Would you hide from death? The dead should remain dead.
Fantastic work. Area remains unbreached. You made the most money out there. Excellent work.
Yes. Look at this. We're all still alive. You can thank me later.
Get some proper gear.
I love a bit of banter, but let's keep our eyes open, all right?
I share my money.
Riches for all who desire it.
Get some proper gear. Share my money.
This
Money the real man's got.
Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer.
Do clip in. Don't mind if I do.
Keep the area secure.
A warrior will always seek battle.
Reloading. Yeah.
Our fellowship remains unbroken. Bring hellfire upon it! Simon, you know what to do! You... Roasted!
Dented their numbers, but there are plenty left.
Dead or undead? Need I kill you twice?
Poison kills even you.
Would you hide from death?
That's how you get this belly rockin'.
Let me out! Ow! Oh, it hurts! Let me out! Dead or undead? Engulf it in flames! The dead should remain dead! Oh, my head! Lines! Dead or undead? One piece at a time! I will destroy you all! Kill this one before she screams! Cover! I reload! Roasted on a spit! The dead should remain!
Done. When you're done, I can reopen the treasure vault.
Would you hide from death?
Now, W!
Dead or undead? Reload! Engulf it in flame!
That'll take some cobwebs loose.
Burn in your own hell!
You're a natural.
Ah, great Merlin would have made
not
much
cutting
of it.
edge.
Area mostly secure. Very solid performance.
Nice.
You're rich. Money doesn't fire bullets, remember that.
In your debt.
Maybe I'll get a snake that goes up my leg.
The buggers are still coming. Make no mistake.
Yeah, I hear ya.
Forget it.
I share my money.
Anyone got any money?
Get some proper gear.
Smart investment.
Our respite may be brief.
Hey,
Charity.
coming in.
Last chance. I have to power down the pod.
You can never have enough, I suppose.
Smart investment.
Time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
Brought a magazine to read.
Here's some ammo. Need I kill you twice? I'm glad! Dead or undead? Use fire!
Reloading. Hang on, who's thinking? Got the horse for me.
Thank you. Need I kill you twice?
Only I won't. I can't help being good at head smashing, can I?
are here to clean out Zeds. And here come your first targets. Eyes open.
See that? Cover! I reload! Need I kill you twice? Your aim is...
Not dead yet. I'll sort that.
I must reload. My aim is true.
Sweet!
Time for some work.
Perfect. Pod is open again. Let's get you restocked. A good day's work and everyone survived.
More evil sorcery?
How's everyone for ammo?
We're in danger of looking like a team here.
I love a bit of banter, but let's keep our eyes open, all right?
Alors, you need ammo. That's a hint.
Hang on, new clip in. That's nice.
Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer.
Cheers.
Reloading.
Break time's over. Get back to work. More Zeds inbound.
Maybe it does some cool stuff, but shame they couldn't make it look good.
Any sec, all hell's gonna break loose, you'll see. You were the Jedi!
Bullseye! Cover! I reload! Yes! My aim is true! A strike!
Let's hit you up.
Reload! Dry. It breeds no more. The dead should remain dead.
That one was mine!
pod and gear up. I like it when everyone makes it out alive.
That. How's everyone for ammo?
I have all I desire.
No one has died. Don't get sloppy.
Perhaps we should reflect on this in silence.
I suggest you purchase armor. Oh mon Dieu. I'm about to shut the pod.
That'll put an apple on top of their heads.
Pod's closed. Go make a difference.
Would you hide from... I reload. Dead or undead? You feel us now. I'm happy. Like an archer at Azincourt. What is this machinery? The onslaught begins! Dog's breath! The dead should remain dead! Sounds! Ah! Breathe fire!
Hang on, you clip it.
Blessed relief. You need help.
It's too quiet, people. I don't like it.
You clip in.
Take that!
Never doubt my resolve.
Action movies eat your heart out.
Boom. Come see me. The pod's safely open. Nicely done.
That'll keep me going.
You survived, but at a cost.
Tomatoes. That's my tip.
Glad you made it back. Don't bleed on anything.
That'll put an apple on top of their heads.
Last chance. I have to power down the pod.
We all stocked, ammo-wise?
All Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
Foul alchemy indeed. I can hear her, but not see her. You feel us now. Molto bene. Ha! How? I must reload. The Renaissance has arrived.
Something fun is coming. I heard it.
You shoot true. I go from straight to I see only darkness!
Glad to see you made it through. Make for the pod and gear up. You know how to stay alive out there. A good instinct.
Thank you.
How's everyone for ammo?
Sweet ass, mate.
We Daddy would have loved to poke around here.
More evil sorcery?
Apple on top their heads.
Time's almost up. Vite!
Benelli, Urbino's Renaissance in arms.
Protect the area.
One piece at a time! I can't see her yet!
Just like the lads in the farm.
Tighten up.
Dead or undead? Need I kill you twice? Come on, I reload. The dead should remain dead. Would you hide from Jet!
Squander straight. That's gonna make a mess. Something floating around here. Anyone need some cash?
I accept.
That's nice. It's here! Bring it, Dick. Reload it. Get in.
Down you go.
He's up close.
I must reload.
It's here! Watch it, reloading.
This one troubles us no more.
Good work. Area relatively secure.
It means precisely...
How's your bank balance feeling? Fatter, I imagine.
We're doing great, team. Keep watching what
Down
I
here
do, right?
is no place for knights.
Newsflash, I'm not loving the undergroundness of this place.
Buy more ammo. You're running low.
Look, it's time to get another tat.
Everyone have enough ammo?
Last chance. I have to power down the pod. You earned the money. Now spend it.
Don't mind if I do.
We're in danger of looking like a team here.
Yep. I'm liking this whole no one hang on. Who's this?
They're pissing his chest.
He got your attention, eh?
A certain stout, but many Zeds remain.
Need I'm unsighted! You feel us now! What small life has gone! You see it! A strike! No! My eyes betray me! The onslaught begins! Need I kill you twice? Sound!
Perfect. Pod is open again. Let's get you restocked. No one died that time. Merveilleux. Buy some armor. I need you alive and in one piece. More Zeds on the way. Start to wrap things up, as they say. Time's almost up. Vite!
Strong?
How's the gang all doing?
Oh, my strength is sapped.
Maintain the area's security.
We stand together, still alive.
Never been to Banster, but let's keep our eyes open, all right?
Start. Now finish the job. Allez.
Most of the best men if you want others on holding them alive.
I bend from strength to strength.
Excellent. The area remains totally secure. Excellent. That's nearly all of them.
Such sustenance. Cover! I reload!
I'm impressed. Your work was flawless. Sansa, you were quite the team player back there. There's Zeds on the scope. Must close the pod very soon.
I need a cash injection. Hint, hint.
Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer.
When I've got it, I only spend it
This
anyway.
wait I'll open my own bank.
How you cats doing?
Time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
Churlish to refuse.
Fine, it was great.
Cash. Shit!
Would you hide from death? You feel us now!
Now, don't... He shoots, he kills!
Got him by the shot!
Banging one in. I'm at it.
Sound! That flesh hound is quite heinous! I must reload. Did I kill you twice? The dead should remain dead! The onslaught begins! Would you hide from death?
More money just means more weapons.
Stefanelli! Molto bene! Ah! Bullseye! I go for... Water! Water! It turns me! Ow!
I'm reloading!
I can hear her, but not see her. You meet our death at a distance with ease.
Need ammunition.
Even the heavens micturate upon me. Yes!
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply.
Wander straight on the defeated.
That fleshpound didn't know what hit it just now. Very nice work.
Feeling like crap, if I'm honest.
Glad you made it back. Don't bleed on anything. We're almost out of time. Make your choices. Last chance. I have to power down the pod. Pod's closed. Go make a difference.
Here they come. This door will hold with my wealth. My aim is true! Blessed relief. One piece at a time! Ha! Bullseye! I have them!
save your energy.
Reload! The onslaught begins!
Come see me. The pod's safely open. Nicely done. Magnifique. You were this round MVP, as they say.
I'll weld this door like a blacksmith born to the task.
It's open.
There's Zeds on the scope. Must close the pod very soon. Unless you hate living, get some armor.
We all live. The fight is unfinished.
Knocked up nice and tight.
Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer. Protect the area.
Cover! I reload!
No one...
Woman down!
How's the gang all doing?
Feeling grand, aye.
That door won't last forever.
Door's getting tuned to these ducks are.
Creatures mean to rend that door!
All sealed. Frosty delivered.
Ah!
Knocked up nice and tight.
They're trying to break down that door!
Shit. They're knocking hard this time. Knocked up nice and tight.
Creatures mean to rend that door!
Look, the money stacks are trying us all. Knocked up nice and tight. They're knocking hard this time.
I bleed.
Bloody hell, someone's not happy. I hate it when things get quiet. Makes me twitchy.
How's that feel?
You got your attention, eh? Ready to rip someone a new one.
Let's fix you up.
Your aim is most steady, my friend. Ammo, if you need it.
This one's gonna go. Gone off!
Strike! Saw you! Reload!
That's just the third.
Would you hide from death? Not death! Good!
Let's call that your warm-up.
What's the day to take thrust guns close down?
Still dead?
Cover! I reload!
Hang on,
Need
you're
I
flipping.
kill you twice?
She shoots, she kills.
You shoot true!
Watch it, reloading.
Down you go. Oh.
visible. Would you hide from death? You feel us now. Got in by the shot.
This cat's back in the game.
Sound! A strike! Stefanelli! Molto bene! I must reload. Dogs! Come on, I reload. Need I kill you?
Keep it up. When you're done, I can reopen the trader pod.
The Renaissance has arrived! Reload! A strike! Stefanelli! Molto bene!
Area mostly secure. A very solid performance. Taking down a Scrake comes naturally to you, no?
Anyone at death's dark door?
I fare well.
Alors, you need ammo. That's a hint.
Are we all still in health?
We're almost out of time. Make your choices.
Do your eyes see? This ground is gilded!
Need a bit of cash.
Who's short of cash?
Cheers.
I'm feeling generous.
We all still live.
I'm about to shut the pod.
Yep. I'm liking this whole no one dying thing. Anyone need some cash?
Break time's over. Get back to work. More Zeds inbound.
You've got a flat crowd! Didn't like that, did you? Hang on, new clip in.
I must reload. May he rest in peace. Now we made it angry. One piece of the car. Come on. We've unleashed hell. Now we made it angry. A strike. Desire it.
Who wants money?
Do your eyes see? This ground is
We
gilded.
need some cash.
Riches for all who desire it. Do your eyes see? This ground...
First batch of Zeds heading your way. Get ready to move.
All this blood! Ah! Aha! Ah! Hold fast! Poisons do their work upon me! Poison! Poisons do their work upon me! Our enemies fall! Die! Poison! The onslaught begins! Poisons do their work upon me!
Perfect. Pod is open again. Let's get you restocked.
Such sustenance!
Bonjour. Come and get your tools of trade. Time's almost up. Vite! Time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
Blood everywhere. I go from strength to strength! What? I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Good heavens! I'm on fire! Feel my... One piece at a time! Ow! I'll smite you!
Zeds are close. Safety's off.
Dog's breath! I'll smite you! Hey! Poison! Poisons do their work upon me! Hey! Poison! A sprite! Poisons do their work upon me! Hey! Poison! Poisons do their work upon me! Blessed relief. Hey!
Come see me. The pod's safely open. Nicely done.
Caves delight me not.
You earned the money. Now spend it. Last chance. I have to power down the pod. More Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
Hellspawn ahoy!
A sudden start, but many Zeds remain.
That's me! Ow! Put me out! Ow! Oh, it hurts! Put me out! Bullseye! One piece at a time! No! I bring destruction to our enemies!
Perfect. Pod is open again. Let's get you restocked.
Blood.
I suggest you purchase armor. Oh, mon Dieu. Time's almost up. Vite! Maintain the area's security.
I can't see her yet! at a time! Saw you! Reload! Sound! Like an archer at Agincourt! I am become death! Poisons do their work upon me! I am revived! Water! Water! How? One piece! Such sustenance! You feel us now! Feel my flesh! Filthy scum! Kill them all! A strike! Hey! Poison!
Excellent. The area remains totally secure. I'm impressed by your survival instinct out there. Buy some armor. I need you alive and in one piece. Last chance. I have to power down the pod.
A mighty hammer made even mightier.
Keep the area secure.
I'll smite you! Saint Vitus dance! On my... Thy head explodes, creature! You feel us now! Poisons do their work upon me! I go from strength to strength!
Fantastic work. Area remains unbreached.
4 strikes!
I'm impressed. Your work was flawless. You know how to stay alive out there. A good instinct. Bring up the trading controls and upgrade your gear. I'm about to shut the pod. Maintain the area's security.
It's like a dungeon in here. They are upon us! Yes! Foul creature! Ha! A strike! Down! What?
A decent beginning. Let's call that your warm-up.
Aha! Yeah! The hammer! Thy head explodes, creature!
Fantastic work. Area remains unbreached.
Now, the coup de grace! Careful of that chainsaw! Strike!
Exino. The area remains totally secure. I'm impressed by your survival instinct out there.
Caves delight me not.
Have you checked your ammo? Didn't think so. Final choices, people. Enemies on the scope. Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer. Keep the area secure.
All manner of surprises in store in a place like this. Don't let her scream! Ah! My ears! All who oppose us will perish! A strike! I burn! Save me! Save me! Ow! Water! The onslaught begins! Ow! Water! Water! It burns me! Ow! Don't let that foul pound close on you!
Impressed. Your work was flawless.
I can hear her!
Fantastic work. Area remains unbreached. That's Greg. Oof. You took it down hard. Know what Zeds love? Broken armor. Fix it. More Zeds on the way. Start to wrap things up, as they say. Time's almost up. Vite! Pod's closed. Go make a difference.
All manner of surprises in store in a place like this. It's Flounder! I go from strength to strength! Thy head explodes, creature! The onslaught begins! Down! That flesh pound is quite heinous! How? A hammer of more!
Excellent. That's even more than
I am become death! Yes!
Come see me. The pod's safely opened. Nicely done. You're staying in one piece. That's great. Keep it up. Bonjour. Come and get your tools of trade.
A mighty hammer made even...
Last chance. I have to power down the pod. More Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
Caves delight me not. On my own!
Good start. Now finish the job. Allez.
Oh! The Valkyrie's ride! Ah! 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 Oh, my head climbs! We've all but killed it! The hammer of Thor strikes! Poison! Move fast and avoid that chainsaw! You feel us now! The flesh hound means to pound us to dirt! We've enraged it! Blessed relief.
Finish the last ones off, so I can open the trader pod for you.
Oh, my head climbs! Filthy scum! Kill them all! That scrape means to fell us all! My ears! I have beaten thee! Such sustenance!
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply. You really shredded that fleshbound back there. Impressive.
All this!
I suggest you purchase armor. Oh, mon Dieu. Final choices, people. Enemies on the scope. I'm about to shut the pod. Time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
I have beaten thee, foul creature! You feel us now! Sound! The hammer of Thor strikes! A strike! Cold steel! There! Must reload! I bring destruction to our enemies! Ensorcelled! is quite heinous.
Keep it up. When you're done, I can reopen the trader pod.
How? I go from strength to strength! Vengeance!
Perfect. Pod is open again. Let's get you restocked.
I'm low on ammo.
I saw how you tore that Scrake up. Gave me hen flesh. Comment? Ah, vous savez?
All manner of surprises in store in a place like this.
Bring up the trading controls and upgrade your gear. Pod's closed. Go make a difference.
This door will hold with my well. Like a portcullis, nothing's coming through here. They're trying to break down that door. I'll weld this door like a blacksmith born to the task. Creatures mean to rend that door. Caves delight me not. They're attacking the door! What? Ah! The door is assailed! Creatures mean to rend that door! They're trying to break down that door! Creatures mean to rend that door! A strike! That Scrake means to fell us all! The whole of hell is upon us! In blood! Yes! Must reload! Feel my blade! No! Ah! All who oppose us will perish! Ah!
Excellent. That's nearly all of them.
Blood, or don't let that foul sound close on you! Ah! Ah! We've unleashed hell! quite heinous. I have beaten thee, foul creature. Foul creatures, charge! Cold steel! Poisons do their work upon me!
Make these last purchases count. There's one flesh pound that will not be coming back, thanks to you.
Blood everywhere.
Last chance. I have to power down the pod.
This door will hold with my well.
Break time's over. Get back to work. More Zeds inbound.
If you want someone dismembered properly, do it yourself.
My eyes see nothing.
Stop wasting my time. Show yourself.
A strike!
Time for a more direct approach.
I'm shot! What magic? It vanished?
To me, my children, Daddy has some bunny for you to play with.
Ammo, if you need it. I can't see her! Here's some ammo. They are upon us! Blessed relief.
Stay right there. I'll make this quick.
The kiss of metal!
What are you doing? That one was my favorite.
What?
Didn't see that coming, did you?
The onslaught!
You're driving me ballistic. You pollute this world. Time for a more direct approach.
Thy head explodes, creature!
Eventually I will catch you. Stay right there. I'll make this quick.
I'm shot! On my
Wait right there. Over the children. You failed.
I'll smite you!
It can't end like this.
I'm poisoned! You feel us now!
I'm surprised you made it this far. The way you fight.
How?
Have I scared you all?
Feel my blade!
What did I make you play?
Blessed relief.
You understand? Your flesh so soft.
end approaches death!
All that's anyone. Having less fun now.
My lifeblood drips into you. The very crown grows gold. Riches for all who desire it. Do your eyes see? This crown is gilded.